U.S. stocks closed higher on Thursday on mounting optimism that a U.S. debt ceiling deal could be reached within days. Discount retailer Walmart provided additional support after it raised its sales and profit forecast. Shares gained 1%. The Dow added 1/3 of 1%, the S&P 500 rose close to 1%, and the Nasdaq increased 1.5%. Republican Speaker of the House Kevin McCarthy said a deal to raise or suspend the debt ceiling could potentially be reached in time to hold a House vote next week. And Walmart reported better than expected first quarter results and boosted its full year outlook as consumers continued to spend, something reflected in recent economic data. The strong consumer spending has surprised Lorene Gilbert, CEO of Wealthwise Financial, who doesn't think it will last.
So, what we're seeing right now is that the consumer has continued to be resilient, much more than we expected the consumer to be able to be. And in fact, Walmart made that comment today as they had their earnings call and stated that the consumer has been surprisingly resilient. And that's what we would say, it has been surprising. So, given that interest rates have gone up and to purchase things costs more with the inflation, all of these factors, and yet still we're seeing the consumer spend, and we're especially seeing the consumer continue to spend on services. So travel, hotels, all of those items continue to be strong. Eventually, we'll start to see those things deteriorate as we get into a recessionary environment.
She believes the U.S. economy will enter a recession in the third quarter, though strong data continues to come in. Thursday, the number of Americans filing new claims for jobless benefits fell more than expected, suggesting the labor market remains tight. Netflix soared 9% after saying its recently launched ad-supported tier reached nearly 5 million active users per month. And chipmaker Micron Technology gained 4%. It plans to invest up to nearly $4 billion in Japan for new chips over the next few years.